Hi everyone, thanks for watching my Instagram info videos. I do hope you're finding them helpful. Be sure to scroll through my feed to see many of the previous videos that we have done. Today I'm going to talk very briefly about getting a baby to sleep. It's the question that everybody wants to know. How do you get a baby to sleep? Babies are babies. They're teeny tiny human beings and they quite often have a mind of their own. Very simply, we ask our clients to show up to our studio before their session with a hungry baby. That means try to time the feeding so that the baby needs to eat right before the session. Upon arrival, even if the baby is sleeping, we ask if it is time for the baby to feed. Quite often our clients will say yes. We leave them alone so that baby can have a nice full feeding during quiet time in our studio. When we come back, we try to swaddle the baby and let the baby digest their food and get to a nice, comfortable sleep. And then we go from there. Some babies are wide awake during the session, but eventually all babies must nap, and that's when we capture the best images.